In the coming video, we will specify how to use it to control the LED displays. It is for single or dual color LED display. Each LED display used HD Wi-Fi controllers, which can scan and show in the interface of the LED art. Click the search device, then select Controller Wi-Fi ID. The display will be automatically connected with the mobile phone. The controllers can also be connected through the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone. The default password is 8888-8888. Click Single Color in App, then you can see Controller is online. First, enter the hardware setting to set the parameters of the LED display. Can choose the Smart Setting file, Data Polarity, OE Polarity, etc. Click OK to save setting. After that, back to the main interface. Click Edit Program to set program name, screen size, color level, gray level. Click OK. The display is successfully set. Once enter into Edit Program, select Partition Mode. For example, select 2 vertical partitions to insert 2 contains at a time. Then drag plugin of clock and text to corresponding area. Can add any sub-program like clock, text, image with the help of partition mode. After select text area, you can change text size and color, font style, etc. The text area can add a border, effects, and background. Then click Clock area. Can select clock type, interval, display mode, etc. Click on Program to set border, playtime. Once finish all edit, then click Send on the right corner icon. Once release program, new programs will be shown on the LED display. Back to the main interface to see more functions. Firstly, the time. Enable automatic, and then click OK. The time in the display will be set to the same as the mobile phones. Secondly, the brightness. The default mode is for fixed brightness setting, and for custom mode means different brightness value can be set according to different time period. The brightness of the display will be automatically adjusted according to environment in this mode. Thirdly, the switch. The LED display can set power on or off according to different time periods. Next function is remote control. It can be used to select different programs, adjust the brightness, and turn on or off the LED display without remote sensor. Last, an important function is Wi-Fi setting. For change controller name and Wi-Fi password, have 2 modes, AP and Station. In Station mode can connect controller to router, enable to station, and insert router name and password. 2 for full color LED display. The same method is used to connect the mobile phone and the LED display. It is different to edit a program in full color mode with a single or dual color. A video, image, text, timer, temperature, or clock area can be created. These areas can be stretched or moved freely. If more programs are needed, click the program icon to the Program Management interface and then add a new one. If more images are needed, click the Image area to add more. The parameters of the text area can also be adjusted through the attribute settings. After completing the program editing, click the Send icon and then the program will be played on the display. If there is no Wi-Fi module in the controller, the export function will be used. Click the icon and then connect the mobile phone with the USB cable. Insert the cable into the USB port of the controller. Then the program will be updated in the display. Return back to the main interface to see other functions. Firstly, the shake. Select an image in the mobile phone and then shake the phone. The image will be shown on the display. That is all for the operation of the Ledart app. Thank you for using products of Huidu Company.